All right, and we're live. Good morning,
Good morning.
Vietnam.
Pulled that one out of the vault.
Well, looking like we pulled back quite a bit since yesterday's highs on all three indices. Gold's a little bit lower. Silver's a little bit lower.
Silver's lower, gold's lower. Yeah, everything's looking kind of meh.
YM's printing a red candle right now.
Oh, we still have 2 minutes till the open, so see what happens.
So ES and NQ are looking a little better than YM this morning. Because I mean, we put in like almost 1,000 points over 2 days with YM.
Yeah, should be expecting a little bit of a pullback.
We're below the 50% of the 2 days. Let's go right from the bottom here. We're just at 50% of the last 3 days. So that's seems kind of like still a healthy pullback without it being extreme.
Without it, yeah, it's nothing to worry about.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like Nvidia is getting a little bit of a pullback here too.
Just throwing on my view ups here. Yeah, Mag 7's coming out a little bearish.
Oof.
YM's bouncing here. ES looking a little better than NQ right now. Hey, Jordan, good morning.
I'm tempted to short a couple thousand shares of Nvidia here.
Is it just collapsing right now? After that, yesterday's China news, probably. Hey there.
Yeah.
Good morning. What do we got here? NQ's got orders above, a little bit below. 762 has 506 orders. So I think I'm kind of leaning bearish unless we get up above like the 960s at least, right? 960s, even 970s on it. Yes, 69.70.
Look at yes. Yeah. Looking at 965, 960, 965. There's a bunch of orders down to 69.40, 69.37.50.
Yeah. We got 175 above, but that's only 6 points away. And it looks like there's a big buy volume ball there earlier too, right at that. I am starting to bounce. Just breaking the previous day low there.
Gold started off looking good and then just started dropping. It's coming down to a bullish fair value gap at 44.37.20.
Well, yes, bounced up there pretty solid and then just turned right around, eh?
Did it just shit the bed on you?
I see Austin's like not in his usual place.
Is he traveling?
He's on
Taking a
vacation
vacation or
somewhere.
something?
Yeah, I think so.
Good for him. I like that.
Yeah.
All right, I am in a 2 micro long on gold contracts.
Oh, nice. Hey, Zara. Good morning.
Got in at 37.90. My stop loss in at the opening range low.
Yes, kind of bouncing here. Holding these lows at just at the 50s already. 69.50. 55 and 62 above.
This is just toying around with my entry price here.
On the GC.
Yep. Bunch of orders up at 44.52.
The ES pulled back there. Oh, look at that slap. Oh, geez. ES slapped lower and YM slapped lower here.
And I'm out.
And NQ went lower. Did GC get rejected there too?
Yep.
Damn.
That wasn't pretty at all.
Nope.
Well, that's what I get for taking a trade before the opening range is set. I broke my rules. I lost $6,000.
Oh, damn.
Cheers.
Ouch. Was that your cash account?
No, that's across 60. Well, yeah, 2 of them are cash accounts.
Gotcha.
But it was across 63 accounts.
Wow. So that's $100 loser, roughly?
90, 98 something.
Okay. Well, I mean, you can deal with that.
Yeah, I'll deal with it. I
That
don't like
sucks.
it.
Yeah, nobody.
I don't
Of
like
course not.
it, but I'll deal with it.
Yeah. But it's a reasonable. When you said 6 grand, I thought like, whoa, in one account or
Oh,
you know,
no. Yeah, no.
or like 6 accounts or what?
Yeah, no. I'm not that crazy. I'm a little crazy, but I'm a different kind of crazy.
We do have a 4 hour bullish fair value gap on NQ. Is there one on the ES here too? Yeah, there's one on ES, but it's so much further down. Randy's had a couple losing days in a row too, actually, sounds like.
He's getting cocky with all his payouts.
Yeah, yeah.
Like ES is getting a little bit of a bounce right now.
Yeah, I see
Tiny
that.
bit.
And
Tiny
NQ, YM starting to like push to its open high anyways. Very hard to be bullish on that also until we get above 49,273 area.
Not really feeling too bullish on anything right now.
Yeah, it's just we are above the New York and we are above the overnight view up on YM. So, but yeah, until we can kind of. Well, pre-market high is 49,272. So we're not that far away from it. Time do we got here? 47. Kind of thinking about trying to take a long here on YM. Kind of would like a bullish fair value gap though first. But we're heading to that 272 real fast here. 20 points away from it. But we might just get up there and reject. So
That's the problem, isn't it?
yeah, because the other two are looking a little heavy.
You were correct about that rejection. It's coming back down now.
Well, we swept those highs. We're up above 86 now.
It's looking like YM's the only thing to go long on.
Yeah. Damn, man, it's really going. I was looking at that at like 50s. Now we're at 320. 250 to 320. It just didn't stop going. I'm like, oh, if we could see a fair value gap, it'd be nice. Oh, I guess he did leave some 1 minutes, but we didn't even really get a pullback at all. But we are coming up on previous days, New York. Hey, there's Tim. Good morning.
Good morning, Tim.
So we got 4 people in the YouTube channel and 4 in your X. We got matching numbers today. So far, I'm not loving the ES price action. NQ is definitely a pretty easy short. ES rejected their offer the 21 EMA.
Got YM bouncing off a bullish fair value gap at 239.20.
We got a bearish fair value gap on the 1 minute. About the 2 and the 3. The 2 minute it's pulling back into a bullish fair value gap right now. Hey, Jose. Good morning, sir.
I'd like to find some direction this morning.
Yeah, we're pretty. Well, we're starting to. We just took the 21 EMA on. Yes.
I haven't been looking at ES though.
Loading my coffee up here.
I am in a YM long.
Oh yeah, nice bounce out of that fair value gap there.
a pretty decent stop loss on, decent size stop loss on here. So it's just 2 micros. I'm gonna let this go for a bit. Well, that's going against me.
What did you say?
I said, well, that's going against me.
Did it turn around there a bit?
Yeah, it turned around a little bit.
Yeah, NQ's pulling back. ES kind of coming back to the New York VWAP here and the 21 EMA. Why I'm starting to bounce a bit there.
Up a little bit. This starts going in my favor. I'll take my profits pretty damn quick.
Yeah, it's not looking like it's typical up like it normally does. After those, at least after that, that one push up there and those two, well, 1 5-minute candle, I guess. Yeah. There, ES just took the New York.
We're starting to get a little bit more of a bounce.
Yeah. I feel like NQ is going to be coming back down to the 25.5s. We got a 4-hour bullish fair value gap below. we got news here in 1 minute. U.S. inventory wholesales. Revised wholesale inventories. It's a orange folder, so medium. And then we got natural gas in 30 minutes.
You've got natural gas.
Oh yeah. How did you know?
Oh, you're through the screen.
That news coming here in a few seconds.
Yeah, if you're not in a trade right now, don't get into one until after the news.
The news is out now. So the next
Oh,
one's
yeah,
at
that-
7:30 is natural gas. Yeah, it came out minus 0.4 rather than minus 0.2 is what they had. So a little down, I guess.
Yeah, I'm currently down $10 per account on my YM trade.
Okay.
Oh, $14, sorry. Ooh, excuse me.
Well, I took a short on NQ here, 1 micro. I just see orders down at the 550 area, but starting to bounce a little bit against me here. It stops a little bit, probably a little bit too tight on this one actually. 1 micro here, so I mean, we do have that bullish 4-hour bullish fair value gap down at 500. But
On NQ.
yeah, so I feel like that's a pretty big draw on liquidity. But if we might end up bouncing a bit before we get that move. But
Just waiting for this upcoming bounce on YM. It's going to happen, right?
hope so.
Move 100 points up and I'll be done for the day.
Yeah. NQ price stalling out here a bit, but it looks like it's kind of slow grinding here lower. We're minus 4,000 on CBD. Ooh, 390, 39.45 there. Buyers stepping in 3,900. see, are they going to hold it down here? 3,800 now. That's a lot of, but the price isn't really climbing too much for how much the CBD went down there. Damn, I'm going to get stopped here, looks like. Yeah. Yeah, I got stopped out on that trade. It reversed real fast there.
Did it?
Yeah. Another not fun day trading the metals today. Missed the action on MNQ. Today looks like not at all day for me. It's choppy and rangy. I'm better on a trending day. That's what Darren and Czar said.
Yeah, I'm better on a trending day as well. Said I'm already down.
We got indices going opposite directions right now. NQ's finally popping though. It took that low and reversed like almost 100 points. 568 to 632 already in the last 2 5-minute candles here. There's your pop on YM and ES.
I just took my $45 per account on the YM.
Nice.
Double check all these, make sure they all canceled out.
Oh, we ripped right to the VWAP and then pulled back from there on the NQ.
Gold's looking like it's popping a little bit now.
I'm interested in trying to short NQ again here if we get up to the VWAP. And I'll wait for a reaction there. Mag 7's kind of looking like it's turning around here a bit. So the Mag 7 basically took New York, bounced off it, and then printed a pretty bullish candle after that on the 1-minute chart. Looking like on the 5. Pretty strong 5-minute candle too. We got 2 minutes left on it, and more than 50% of the candle is above the New York. So NQ could be popping here a bit. We'll have to see. Kind of getting up to that New York view off here.
Longs aren't looking too bad right now. There's a lot of orders up above at 44.50 or 44.51. Take this little bounce on gold. Micros, then my average price is, let me get rid of this alert, 44.4870. So it's just 2 micros, so locking in 2 points of profit.
All right. Well, I took a short on NQ right above the 21 EMA there. Kind of getting close to my TP here. Just looking for 22 points. Oh, bouncing though. That VWAP's being hard to take here.
Currently back to break even on my accounts.
Oh, nice. Good job. There you go. Oh, geez. What a bounce on my NQ there. That held that New York pretty strong. Hey, Dad. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Stewart. Back a little bit right now. Added 1 micro on this pullback. Still have my stop in profit. Is this one going to bite me in the ass now? back up to break even again, just a hair over.
Nice. Still in this NQ short, only one micro. It's kind of been bouncing a bit though, pretty strong, holding that New York right now. I just feel like if it's gonna roll over here, it's gonna take that New York pretty strong. The Mag 7's kind of printing a bearish candle at the moment.
Strange world we live in. 7 companies can move the entire market in a minute.
Yeah.
A tweet from somebody can move the market in a minute.
Yeah, even more than more than 7 companies.
Yeah. It's a weird world we live in.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta stop there. Shoot. Again. I don't know. This is just not
Take a step back, do a reset.
Everything's been leaning towards shorts, and then now it's just popping up, and it's probably going to pop up, stop me out there, and now it's going to go back through the New York and head lower, right? That's just what else is it going to do?
I mean, that's just the way it works for us sometimes.
Well, ES is looking pretty bullish here.
I added one more micro to that trade.
Is that in the gold you're trading there?
Yeah. And I'm out.
Nice.
Oof. Hey, look at that.
Wow, what a bounce. Nice job. Need a retrace on ES, but looks like longs are in play now. You're getting that retrace right now.
I went from negative $6,000 to positive $7,000.
Whoa, nice swing.
So I'm all right with that. Okay,
I went
across 62 accounts. So
yeah. I went from plus 50 to minus 45. I took a trade last night and made $50, and then lost two losers today, 1 micro in each trade, and down 45. So,
$45, you'll make that back.
no orders really very obvious on NQ right now. We do have 60 orders up at 800, which is back up above, where's 800 here? Value area low. Midnight open price.
We had a decent bounce and then a pretty hard pullback on gold. So I'm going to start looking for another long around 455, 453, somewhere around there. That 5-minute bullish fair value gap.
I see that, yeah.
And I'm in.
I had a limit order there, and I got missed.
It got missed?
Yeah, like it didn't quite make it there. Didn't quite make it to the limit order. I had the order at 54.2, pulled back to 54.6.
Was it off by a tick?
Yeah, by 2 ticks. I got that entry now. I dragged it a little bit lower. I got in at 53.9.
You got a better price than I did.
Uh-oh. It's not being very nice, though.
I'm looking at a bunch of orders up at 44.60 right now. Actually, there's orders going all the way up to 44.61. So I'm just going to leave this in here and wait. Got my stop loss down at 46.
I added to that there also. Stops in break even. Now, don't pull back on me, please. Thumbs up.
That's looking like it's going to start going higher here.
Let's go to the 60s. Oh, nice. There we go. Trailing this up now. I'm up at 57 myself.
Nice.
44.57, 66. Lock that in. Made 57 times 4 there. Thanks for that help there, Nick. It's nice. I don't have book maps, so I don't really have the vision on the gold like that, right?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
So I don't really, yeah. When you start telling me that there's orders above, and I was like, okay, well, yeah, that makes sense.
Well,
let's try this fair value gap.
Judging by the fair value gap, the current price action, yeah, all right. There's orders up above. There's not much to speak of below. All right. Yeah, I forgot that you didn't have the COMEX on your book map. So
yeah, I gotta hook that up eventually here.
I mean, it's worth it if you trade gold on a regular basis, gold or silver or copper or whatever.
Mm-hmm. So do you get YM then also with that bundle? Yeah, so that's the other thing too, is I don't have YM. So
oh shit, yeah.
Pretty blind on YM also. Feel blind.
What did we do before Bookmap? Lost a
Yeah,
lot
right.
more money is what we did.
Trading blind. Even though today it's like not very clear to see what direction we're going on ES or NQ at the moment, like with the with the orders. They got some above and some below. Nothing really specific. Ralph was choking and coughing a whole bunch last night after I fed him dinner. I don't know what the heck happened there. Maybe I overfed him a little bit.
Yeah,
but
does he have a cold?
Well, he's been fighting that like pneumonia for some time now. So
Yeah, it's been quite a while, hasn't it?
yeah, he's had this issue for almost 2 years now. He's been on antibiotics basically for 2 years.
Feel bad for the animals when they have to go on medication like that. It's like, why do I feel like garbage? We understand why, but especially taking antibiotics because it just messes up your stomach.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I think that's kind of what it is too. It's like that was kind of what
All
caused
right,
him.
more orders just came on for gold up at 44.59. Orders coming on above, but we're pushing lower. What's going on here?
Still in that bearish or bullish fair value gap, right?
Yeah. On the 5 minute?
Yeah.
I'm willing to hold on to this one for a little while. It's only 2 micros. I am $2 in profit right now. So, you know.
We got news, some sort of news in 1 minute here. It's probably crude
Really?
oil. Yeah.
Oh, I don't want to be in a trade during news right now. My stop loss up. Watch, crude oil will lift everything, right?
Yeah. 10 seconds here. Nice bounce of gold there. Come on. Keep going here, gold.
Are you in a long?
Yeah.
Oh, same one, right?
No, I'm out. I was out of that first one, but I re-entered. So
Oh, that's right. You made like $54 on the first one and
yeah,
re-entered.
yeah. I'm in a different account here. I'm not touching those ones with that $50 winner.
Right.
Come on, let's go gold though. Kind of just playing around here at this area.
Let's pull up the book map. We got orders at 44.55 below us, and then we got a bunch of orders all the way up to 44.70. We got orders at 44.59.50, 61, 62. So after this news, you think it's going to bounce up? Oh, we got orders now up at 44.74.
Yeah, I put my stop to break even now on that gold trade. Popping up pretty good here.
Put mine just above break even. If it continues to go up, I'll be happy. If not, I'll be satisfied with what I got out of it. Putting in a take profit at 44.70 just in case it does go on a tear. Oh, I'm sorry, 44.75.
Looks like it wants to go.
Looking like it. Trying to give it enough room to breathe. I'll pull my stop loss up another point. Toying with that high a day right now.
Yeah.
See if I can rip through that.
At 64.6. Just hoping it was going to pop past the high a little bit and potentially hit that.
Sorry, you're breaking up there. I can barely understand what you're saying.
Just got too many things coming through on financial juice and everything all at once. So I think that's what was happening there. But I put my TP up at 64.6.
Right.
See if we can't get it to pop through that previous high.
You managing this on the 1 or the 2 minute?
I'm still sitting on the 5, but I just switched over to the 2, and I have mine not this candle, but the previous candle below my TPs, or my stop is below that wick, 44.58.5. So 1.5 points in profit. There we go. Starting to take that. Let's go take that high. We need to take up the 63.2.
Got more orders printing up at 44.70 right now.
Uh-oh.
Oh, just got a big red ball on the book map.
Yeah, it looks like
oh, come on now.
Stop me out here. Let's see.
Stop loss and profit though?
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna take me right there. I got out. So I made $16. Shit.
on a single micro.
Yeah. Not bad, but
Yeah, you took 3 points out of it. That's good.
1.6 points. But yeah.
Sorry, math is hard.
1.6. NQ finally took that New York VWAP here. If we can get a bounce back up to the VWAP, maybe I'll think about trying another short on it.
So, big lesson for anyone who copy trades: always have your Trade open for every single prop firm that you use and your personal accounts.
Yeah.
Because every once in a while, a signal doesn't go through.
Huh.
My top one futures
Yeah.
didn't exit out on me.
Oh.
Which
Did you
this
stop?
time, what's that?
It was okay this time?
Oh, yeah. I mean, I'm still up $16, but I would have been up 58. So,
Shit.
I mean, it's better than taking an L.
Yeah, for sure. You normally don't, you haven't really had many problems with that kind of stuff. So that's kind
No, it's
fairly rare occurrence.
TradingView and Trade have both been giving me a couple of issues recently. Trade with the Apex accounts and with my personal account are giving me API codes.
Yeah.
Saying that API limit has been reached and miscellaneous crap like that. So. Ugh. Hey, I'm up $199 even per account today.
Oh, nice.
I'm Earl Shab, and I can paint that car for $199.95.
Big bounce on NQ here.
Zara's crossing his fingers. We don't. Oh, sorry. What was that?
Oh, go ahead. He's crossing his fingers. Don't lose 453 on gold. Last runners. Nice. I was just saying, NQ's bouncing pretty good right now. Back up to the New York VWAP. Sort of touched the bullish fair value gap and turned around and went back up. So. Big bounce on oh, that was a weird candle. Mag 7 touched New York VWAP and bounced pretty hard there.
Right. I'm stepping away for a couple of minutes. I'll be right back.
Okay. Uh-oh. Damn it. Too choppy, guys. NQ just stopped me out. Just can't seem to get a good read here. Looked like it was rejecting on the New York view up there, and then now we're like, whoa, way up. Look at that bounce. Holy crap, guys. All the way back to the highs. I should have known better, actually, looking back now, like this bullish engulfing candle here. I don't know what made me think that a short was good after that. Like, obviously not.
Looks like you got a bounce on NQ there.
Yeah. I'm in the money a bit here. Just waiting, hoping that it's going to hit my TP. Pretty close. Come on, go. Almost need to just stop it out up here. Uh-oh. Now it looks like he wants to come back down. Should have taken it. Damn it, man. It's like 2 points away from my TP, but it just kept like, it just kept bouncing, rejecting, and moving a bunch of points slower. But it got so close multiple times. This candle can get back to green. I'm a green candle. I'm gonna definitely be a little more aggressive and lock it up here. Come on, guys, let's go. Come on, boys. Help a brother out.
We need it today.
Hey.
It's been a rough morning.
Damn it, man. No luck right now. Really? Jesus.
Get a lemon order on a micro gold contract at 44.59.50, right at the bottom of that fair value gap. See if it pulls back to that. There's orders at 44.58, and then there's a bunch of orders up at 44.65, and some just came on at 44.67 and 44.70 and 44.75. It doesn't look like I'm getting that pullback.
Yeah, I just got no luck today. It just edged my TP and then reversed on me, and now I'm out. So I'm done trading for the day. Unfortunately, I'm gonna lock this out. So down
Take a
130
loss on
on
that
this
one?
account. Yeah, yeah, $60 loss on that trade. So it's it just can't. It's just ranging right, and my bad. I should have been more aggressive on taking that TP, but it just, yeah.
Orders
Silver's,
on this gold. Sorry, go ahead.
oh, just Czar said silver's looking clean today.
All right, I just took that gold micro long. Yeah, I haven't even looked at silver today. I don't feel like risking that much money on a micro.
Yeah, right.
Gold long is looking pretty good right now. See if we can sweep those orders. Oh, it just did. All right. Got my stop loss and profit by 2 points. And I'm putting a take profit at 44.78. Just for shits and giggles. Made a whole $12 on that one.
That's all right.
Green is green. Wow. Silver is moved a little bit. ES has orders up at 69.70. NQ is dark above us. Pretty good for longs again at 44.58. And I'm in 3 micro long on gold right now.
Sorry, what did you say there?
And 3 micro long on gold at 44.58.
Nice.
Judging by what the orders on the book map are, I'm okay with holding this for a while. So I got my stop loss down. Excuse me. At 48. A pretty big block of orders down at 44.52 though, so.
Hey, there's Nina. I think I took
Good
about
morning, Nina.
$16 out of that trade. Small W.
What was that?
I took $16 out of that trade there.
Oh, I thought you locked them up.
That was in my I locked out my top one futures.
Got it.
That was in my lucid. Tim's up 200. He's shutting it down. Good luck, guys. All right, Tim.
Thank you much.
And there's Nina. Good morning.
Good job on your $200 win. I like it. So my nephew sent me a text message yesterday saying that he had a rough couple days of FOMOing into trades and decided he was going to slow it down a little bit.
Yeah.
And ended up making $100 on a short trade.
Oh yeah. Nice.
But he's been doing what I told him, which I'm extremely impressed by because he's been controlling himself and he's only been trading one micro.
Gotcha.
So for somebody who's been trading for 3 weeks, making $100 trade on a short with one micro,
Yeah,
it's pretty damn good.
for sure.
So I made a comment on your Instagram X something yesterday.
Oh yeah.
You had a post. It's like the top 10 people to learn trading from. But
Yeah.
you didn't post who those 10 people are.
Oh, the video's coming up.
Oh.
It's a teaser.
All right.
So I got one video coming up on Sunday with the first trader. It's going to be a series of 10 traders.
All right.
We're just getting some sort of news here. What's it? Fed inflation expectations.
I want one of those Randy B boner candles on my gold micro trade right now.
Yeah. There you
There
go.
we go.
Nice. Hey Tim, no giveaways actually. We don't have any accounts. I don't have any accounts to give away. Haven't quite made enough affiliate sales to be getting free accounts to give away. But we were playing around with duck races yesterday just for fun.
All right, I just added 2 micros to that gold trade.
On that little pullback there. Nice.
Yeah. Oh, come on now.
Yeah, don't keep pulling back here.
All right, I took my $105.
Nice.
Oh, slow movement. Another limit order for 1 gold micro in at 44.57. Just going to keep playing off that same level all day.
Shower MNQ 651 out at 614. Short.
Bookmap just lit up above us on this gold too.
All right.
We got 45 orders at 44.60. We got orders at 44.69, 44.75. You in a trade right now?
Nope. I'm just I was just looking through my social media stuff here.
So for your top 10, I'm going to take a wild guess and say Arbucci, Boyajian, Silver.
Silver, who's Austin. Yeah, of course.
Austin.
Those guys are in there for sure. Yeah.
Randy.
Haven't decided fully on everybody yet. But yeah, they're kind of like a range. I don't know. We'll see. But those three guys are definitely in there.
Crudelli. Have you ever seen any of Anthony Crudelli stuff?
I think a bit, yes.
He's definitely in my top 5.
Who did I have here on the list? Yeah, I was going to do SMB Capital, Axia Futures, Patrick Wieland, of course, not because he's, but just because he's popular. Chris Drysdale. Yeah, I haven't fully decided yet, but so far I've done my first video on one of the 3 names that you listed, anyways.
Well, this looks like volume's dried up a bit.
Yeah. Czar said tomorrow's going to be a spicy Friday with employment data and tariff news.
It's going to be interesting. Tomorrow's Friday, yeah? Yeah. Oh. Wow, Jose took a really good short on MNQ.
Yeah, I saw that.
Tim's being an adult today again.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I might be locking it up for the day.
Sounds good. Yeah.
I pulled back from a $6,000 loss this morning.
Nice. Yeah.
I'm up $280 something for 62 accounts.
Very good.
So nice way to for me to end a Thursday, getting back what I lost in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me. If I was smart about it, I would have just waited until New York Open.
Oh, before the opening range set, you mean?
No, I placed a trade pre-market and lost $98 per account.
Yeah. Oh, so you're in that trade all the way from pre-market.
Oh no,
That
I
was-
took another small loss during the opening range, and then ended up $280.50 for the day.
Gotcha. Yeah.
So it was down like 120 something, 130 something. Then managed to claw my way back. Yeah, I can't even really get into a silver trade right now. It's looking like it's going to continue up, but yeah, there's orders in equally in equal distance above it and below current price, and there's a stack of orders down at 74.95. I want to start trading just right off the book map.
Yeah.
I know it's an option, and I kind of want to try it.
Hey, Trevor. How you doing?
What's going on, Trevor? Where you been?
He's been, I think he's been in ASFX lately.
Oh, I see how it is.
Restarting the whole, going back to the basics of the VWAP. Oh yeah, he
joined the Black Shirt Club. Nice. Good deal. How you liking those group meetings?
And there's a coffee pot.
You know what that means.
Yeah, it's time.
Time to end the day.
Okay, guys. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. Trevor said, yeah, they're good. Had my first hot seat yesterday. Went well. Trading is going really well. Nice, Trevor. Good job.
Glad to hear it. Glad to hear it. Yeah, I like those group meetings just because you get everybody's input on it.
I think that short worked out for Jose because I don't know that he actually was out of the trade at that point. 651, I think he was in 651. It did bounce back up to.
Yeah, he said he was out at 614.
Yeah, but unless he had already done it earlier, I guess. But when he posted that was 803, and the 803 candle, 805 candle was sort of up. So unless it happened before, either way,
yeah,
I think probably hit it. So Wayne said high volume at low a day NQES. Yeah. All right. Well, hey, let's wrap it up here. Yeah, for sure. Thanks for tuning in. Trevor, Wayne, Czar, Jose, Tim, Nina,
everybody.
Keith, Darren, my dad, and Jordan. Jordan was the first one in the chat this morning at 6:29 a.m. It's quick.
6:29. Oh, that's 9:29 New York time.
Yeah. Right before open.
All right, guys. Everybody have a lovely evening. Get ready to size down and keep your stop losses tight for tomorrow.
Yeah. with the NFP coming tomorrow. So
Yep. Enjoy. We'll see you in the morning.
all right,
Dave,
guys.
have a good one.
Thanks, you too. See you guys.